everyone, welcome back to Happy Blogsters. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share with your friends if you love LEGO builds and spooky fun. Hey friends, today we're going to build an awesome LEGO minifigure. It's Oren from SPRUNKI. Get your bricks ready and let's start building this cool character together. Are you ready? Let's go! Now, it's time to build Oren's left leg. We build it big and strong. Next, we build Oren's right leg, just like the left one. After building both legs, we connect them to more bricks to join them together. Now, let's add shoes at the bottom of the legs so Oren can stand well. Now, we build the chest part on top of the tummy to complete the body. Build Oren's left arm, a big arm, so he can wave hello. Make sure to press the blocks tight so the arm stays strong. Now, build Oren's right arm just like the left one. Now it's time to build Oren's head. This is the most fun part. Get ready because the head has lots of cool details. First, we add the neck, a small block that connects to the head to the body. Next, we build the mouth. We take a small block and carefully shape it so it looks like a mouth. Now it's time for the eyes. We take a tiny brick where we will fix both eyes. Next, we build Oren's first cute antenna that sits on top of his head. We take a small black and shape and it looks like an antenna. Then we build the second antenna the same way. Both antennas need to match so they look balanced. These antennas give Oren a unique and special look, just like the real SPRUNKI character. Finally, we carefully fix the antennas on top of the head so they're strong steady. Now that the head and antennas are ready, let's put the hand carefully on the body. Press it gently so everything stays in place. Almost done! Wow! Our Oren minifigure is ready. Doesn't he look amazing? Look at Oren from all sides. See his colorful legs, big arms, and that cool head with headphones and antennas. Isn't he super cool? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more LEGO monster builds right here on Happy Blocksters. See you next time!